Hey, let's see, it's about 8 o'clock, I guess, and the winds have really picked up. It's just really windy. Every time I pick my camera up, it'll stop. Oh wait, here it comes. Really blowing. Yeah, I wanted to say, well, you might not can hear me. Okay. I want to say that I know these videos are not great. I'm not good at this at all. But I have a friend who started a news channel, Marfugel TV, Marfugel News, on YouTube. Those are two different ones. And he puts on real news. Real news. And as we all know today, that is that's a rare commodity. He's a really good guy, and he really cares. And you should go over to YouTube and check him out. Marfugel News. How's the big one? He had asked his subscribers to start their own channels, and a lot of people have, and I just recently did because I thought, okay, well, Hurricane Florence, people might want to see what's going on. So I started doing it. But I really just was making these videos. Of course, they're for everybody, but I was making them for my Marfugel family. Good grief, it's loud. Yeah, I was gonna try and get out, but we'll see what this is like. And we're under a curfew, and I didn't know. So yeah, shots of my driveway are continually all you're gonna get until I can get out. We'll see what it looks like tomorrow. The wind has been pretty fierce all day. The rain has been constant, but not really heavy. Last I heard, it was over 650,000 people without power. We luckily see the street light. Our street still has power. Basically, everybody we know has lost power. God's grace, we still have power. There's a tree fell through a friend of my husband on the back of their house. Other people have been saying, there's trees down everywhere. So we have, been blessed as of so far. And I think the Lord will continue to bless us. The worst of this is supposed to be here, I think about 9. The street light's here, so I might come out and, see if it's really, really windy and stuff more than this. I don't know if you'll really be able to see it. We'll just have to kind of see, because it looks pretty dark on my phone right now. Ooh. But yeah, I had started to talk about Mark Google News on the last video I made. But then my husband decided he wanted to